Hey everybody, I'm Landon with LMR.com. Today I'll be taking a closer look at this Contour electric fan assembly and our exclusive 5.0 resto mounting brackets. Contour fans have been around, well, since the Ford Contour made its debut in 1995. It's still unknown as to why and how the electric fan from a Ford Contour made it into a Fox Mustang, but I'm sure some enthusiasts out there was onto something whenever they got the idea to convert their Fox to electric fans. Throughout the years, the Contour fan upgrade has been a go-to for many Fox owners wanting to upgrade their cooling system. The particular Contour fan we currently offer is rated at approximately 3,500 CFM and incorporates a compact design with low profile shroud. The overall dimensions for this assembly is 24 1/4 inches wide, 16 3/4 inches tall, and just 3.5 inches deep. This will ensure that the assembly will provide plenty of coverage over most Fox-style radiators and proper clearance for front-end accessory drive components. What I personally like about the Contour fan is not only its high CFM rating, but the factory look and appeal you get with this assembly versus other offerings. Now, for those of you that have followed us for quite some time, know that we like to solve problems and offer industry-leading solutions. Well, the missing link to the popular Contour fan upgrade has always been a really nice installation kit. For the longest time, people had to build makeshift brackets to install their fan assembly, and to be honest, it took away from the overall look of the finished product. Fast forward to today, and we have developed our exclusive Contour fan installation kit specific to the fan assembly that we currently offer. The kit includes two black powder-coated brackets that are symmetrical in design and will install either at the top or the bottom of the fan assembly. All hardware is included to bolt the brackets to the fan assembly and of course the fan assembly to the radiator. Lastly, we include two pigtails so that you can properly wire the fans to a controller of your choice. All of this is easily installed and you can print our detailed instructions from the Contour fan installation kit product page. A few things to make note of with this Contour fan assembly is that you will have to fabricate your own coolant overflow tank, and because it's originally intended for a Ford Contour, you will need to cut any extra mounting tabs from the shroud. Of course, this is easily done with a body or a hacksaw. You'll also need to wire in a high-quality fan controller of your choice. I would personally and strongly recommend a fan controller that has two individual relays for each fan and have a minimum rating of 40 amps per relay. When wiring these to separate relays, you'll want to program the fan controller to have the fans come on in separate intervals instead of at the same time. Having them come on at the same time puts a pretty serious load on your Fox Mustang's charging system. Speaking of the charging system, when converting to electric fans, it's in your best interest to convert to a 130 amp alternator if you haven't already done so. Depending on the fan controller of your choice, you will need to find a suitable location to install the temperature sender. Typically, I default to the thermostat housing. You can either drill and tap your factory housing or purchase one of ours that is already drilled and tapped to accept a 3/8 NPT fitting. Wrapping things up here, guys, everything you see here on the table are solid upgrade components for your Fox Mustang. Remember, we built these brackets to work with the Contour fan assembly that we currently offer. So that means we can't guarantee that they'll work with other Contour fan assemblies. For the most current pricing, product information, and the availability on anything that you may have seen in the video, be sure and reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on those notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.